So we have created a Vistion Scholar program, and we go out to multiple colleges. Second-year students, we engage with them. And for the deserving students, we give them a small internship and scholarship a small token पैसे देतात to encourage them to do more and to be more aware of what are the options and what are the kind of skills they need to develop. In fact, this year was the inauguration year of this new thing. We have reached out to about 10,000 students. They're showing a great amount of interest. So something like this in Goa, we have also started to do. Now, Goa generates about 1,000 engineers. And the biggest need are engineers, mostly electrical software, electronics software. We produce about 1,000. And yet, a lot of these are not as well trained. So we can certainly engage with colleges more. We'd be happy to do so and drive more sort of training and mentoring. I think some of this should even begin in high school. What I see over there, like with my kids, is that it starts in high school. And that's when they start to learn some of these things. In college, it only gets amplified. We can also do the same here.